Good morning, everyone. It's Ben here from Greenscapes Solutions and Catch Pro. A few people have been reaching out, sort of asking about the setup and about the setup that we run. Now, I got workers and we got a couple of different rigs. I am mostly set up as a solo operator on this, as I, roll around pretty much by myself. Sometimes the boys jump in with me, but so we have the Equipment Defender trimmer racks here. Most of you guys know about this with the locking system and the combination lock. Something that we've been asked about is the combis setups. Can they still be used? And the answer is yes. And then, are they secured? Can they be stolen? Now, they can't actually be stolen because you will not be able to pull this apart, as it's locked in here and in here. So even if they undo your combi system, they won't be able to separate it. So that's good that that's secured. Down here, I have my chainsaw extension piece, and it doesn't have an engine on it. But same thing, you're able to just have that in place so that you can keep it with you on these racks, and then just click it into an engine as you use it. So around here we have just a typical garden waste section. We do like heaps and heaps and heaps of gardening, so we've got to have big area. Now, these are the boxes that I had before, and you see heaps of dudes with them. And I mean, look, it's a good secure way to store your stuff, but I mean, look, me personally, I just hated it because these doors, you swing them open. I mean, I was just forever getting snaked by parking next to trees or light posts, or even actually when you pull up to a footpath and you open it, you got pedestrians whinging at you. So when I became the supplier for Equipment Defender, I made the decision that I'm going to cut that other box off, and I'm going to bung the racks on there, and then that way I could just pull up anywhere and just grab my machines and have them accessible. So eventually I'll actually cut this box off, and around here I have my backpack blower rack and my sprayer rack, and I'll probably take them from there just to free up a little bit of this space here. I'll probably mount them on the side here, and then I'll probably have an additional toolbox for just little bits and pieces. I don't carry heaps of stuff. I just got a couple of little tool bags with some tools and me sprays and stuff like that. I just got to push in here with some witches hats. But I do need another little toolbox to get that stuff out of the ute. So I have my fuel set up here. I am waiting on a shipment to arrive, and I will have lockable fuel racks, which I may mount up here. Depends on how far they're going to stick out, just to get them out away from the mower. So this is my stand-on mower. I've got my Catch Pro. Some people have asked, how do we carry these in transport? I'm not going to try and take it off with one hand, but I've got a little mount on the front forks of my stand-on, and that just sits there in transit like this, and then take it off when I need to. So I got this trailer, just had like a standard mowing box on there for a push mower, so it must have been like maybe 25 or 30 inches wide or something. And we got that pulled off, ripped that off, and we did extend the drawbar, give us a little bit of length, and we got a 50-inch platform put on here, so that I probably wish that I'd gotten it a little bit bigger, but it does allow me to accommodate a 48-inch mower. So I'm not even saying that this is the absolute best setup. It's just the best setup for me. And we're able to essentially mow any jobs that we can mow, and we take away all the green waste, because it's nothing for us to rock up to at a unit block and mow the grass and take away half a trailer load of palm fronds. So up here, now I know how rough this looks, dudes, but I just got to have it covered. This is just a tonneau cover from like a, I don't know, Falcon or something like that. Works well, keeps the sun off my rig, and it also prevents moisture from getting in up on the tower. Like, you know, just, you don't want all that water and moisture in amongst all your throttle cables and stuff like that. So if I've got enough length here, but if I did need more room, I can flip this up, get another whole bunch of room. So anyway, look, this is the Greenscapes setup. Do have the spool rack and stuff there. Unfortunately, I have to lift this push mower out, which is no good for me back, but we don't do a ton of it. So all right, thanks guys, enjoy your time.